Somankar from College of Engineering and Technology, third year in Civil Engineering. So today I am taking a numerical on the subject that is design of a steel structure. So here is our question. We have to calculate the size and the length. The question is two plate of 8 mm and 12 mm thickness are to be joined using the fillet weld. Suggest suitable size of weld and length of 8 meter. So this is the diagram of this question. Now we have given data that is T and T2. So this T is thickness and we have to calculate the size and the length. So here is a size, taking a size minimum which is given on the table number 21 in the IS code. And here we have to take in the T minimum minus 1.5. So we have to take the minimum value in this T1 and T2. So there is a 8 is a minimum value. Now we have to take this value and 8 minus 1.5, that is a 6.5 mm. Now we have to calculate the size max equals to 3 by 4 into time. So here we are taking minimum time. So this is the 8 and we have to calculate this and we get the S max is 6 mm. Now this formula is in this formula we have to calculate the value of S. So 6 plus 6.5 plus 5 divided by 3. After calculation we get this S, that is a 5.8 mm.